For my project, with my background in healthcare, I built a web application I knew would benefit individuals to gain more knowledge about their health and a convenient place to keep saved health information. Continuing Care is a full stack web application built with Python and Flask on the back end and JavaScript on the front end. All pages were styled using a combination of CSS and Bootstrap components, ensuring a responsive layout for a user friendly experience. To begin, users will be prompted to create an account if they haven't already and log in. A dedicated Flask route handles the post request and securely stores the login credentials in the session and in a Postgres database. Once logged in, users are directed to their profile page. Users have the ability to search for specific health conditions. They can input the full or partial name or body part of the health condition, which will be sent to the server in a form submission. Utilizing SQL Alchemy queries on the Postgres database, parsed with data from the National Library of Medicine API, results are filtered and dynamically rendered to HTML using Jinja templating. Additionally, users can click on any health condition that will open a new browser tab with educational resources about the condition. If a user wishes to keep track of a health condition, they can add it to their personal profile for convenient reference. When the user clicks Add, an AJAX request will be sent to the server to query the database for the user and update Postgres with the user's saved condition. User's profile page will then render with the added health condition, and users will now be able to add and delete comments to conditions if they wish. Users will be able to record their vitals, and vital signs will be stored in Postgres, view a detailed log with timestamps, and analyze trends with Chart.js easy-to-read graphs. The Find Physician feature allows users to input a zip code to retrieve nearby doctors. This feature proved to be my biggest challenge while building my web application, since I needed to make 3 consecutive API calls: one to Google Maps Geocode API for latitude and longitude retrieval, the second and third to Google Maps Places API for detailed information on each nearby doctor. To manage this, I structured 3 functions to handle the API calls. These were all asynchronous functions, so I needed to manage promises and make sure they were resolved in the right order. Users can then save a physician to their profile, which happens with a fetch request to my server. Users can now readily have available the contact information of each physician and can view their location on Google Maps for directions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Continuing Care.